Welcome to watch the diluting process of 7 to 0 for 5 soft crude oil. This is the preparation before diluting. Please pay attention to this formula. Begin the dilution. Please prepare your high shear equipment. Begin to stir 7 to 0 for 5 crude oil evenly. Pour the emulsifying agent into it and stir it fully for 10 minutes until it is totally even. After, slowly add the mixture of acetic acid and water. Continue to stir it fully and evenly for 30 minutes. Properly adjust the rotate speed. Slow it down to prevent splashing. During the process, if you see such state, maybe around the 15th minute, you need to stop it and scrape the wall. Please slow it down and then scrape off the crude oil on the cup wall. Continue to stir it for 15 minutes. At this state, you can proceed to step 4. Add 1/5 water to and stir it for 10 minutes. At this time, you can stop it and scrape the wall again. Add 1/10 water to and stir it for 5 minutes. Scrape the wall again. Stir it for another 5 minutes. Then add the rest water to. Scrape the wall again. Stir it fully and evenly for 10 minutes. At this point, congratulations! You have completed the diluting.